I am so excited to bring you guys my Belk order. There's a little designer bag in here, but I'm actually going to start off with the shirts. I got 2 shirts. I love this one. Easter's coming up. My daughter loves avocados. I kid you not. And I just thought this was hilarious because she loves putting avocados on toast. This shirt was on sale for $14.99. It's True Craft. Regular price is $36. Very soft material. It's a short shirt, and it actually has there's no seam. There's like cutoff. Kind of takes you back to the 80s almost, because I'm sure once it's washed, it's going to start to curl up. You got your ribbed sleeves, but this is so her. She loves the color gray, and I just cracked up. I could not believe that there was a shirt out there that said avocado toast, and she will be receiving this in her Easter basket. We do gifts in our Easter baskets. Especially now that they're older, they get even less like chocolate and candy now that they don't go out and hunt for eggs. They get more like gifts in their bags. So she is getting this. And, oh my goodness, I love sporty shirts. This was on sale for $18.74, regularly $42. It is a Zellos, and it's just your athletic material. Okay, and now for the big reveal. Oh my goodness. So, Michael Kors fans, this is what I got. I love backpacks, and actually I have quite a few small backpacks. But when I saw this and saw that it was on sale, check this out. It is a larger backpack. Oh my goodness, I love this little emblem, bag emblem here. Anyway, let's see what the regular price is. I can't remember. Oh, I want to say it was almost $300 regular price. It was $133.50. So, it has one little pouch here. I am just so excited about this big backpack. Oh, you just do not know. So a little pouch here. I love this. The fact that it's on your back. So it's not like you want to keep money or phone or anything in this part where, you know, if you were in crowd, somebody could open it and take something out. I like this because it's closer to your back and you could feel it, so any valuables could actually be placed right there. Oh, I wish this was feel-o-vision, because oh my gosh, if you could feel this. I can tell it's going to be easy to clean. And let's see. Oh, is the real price tag here? Oh, okay. So the regular price was $178. It is called the Nylon Kelsey, and it is the large backpack. So, inside, oh, so many just little added features, guys. So, you have your key fob here, your key lanyard, whatever you want to call it. I love that. Another zipper pouch right here, and it is very deep. Ooh, what is this? Oh, there's my card. So look how far my hand is went in. And let's check this out. So we have a pouch here that could be phone. Another pouch. I know it's so hard to show you guys. Here you go. That'll help. So 2 more pouches right here, and 2 more up underneath. I know that's really hard to see. Oh, I am so excited about this bag, guys. You just do not know. So I wanted to show the really thick handle here. This is really sturdy. It's not loose. It's hard. It's not going to bend. It doesn't give when I push on it. Very thick adjustable straps. And I went ahead and took the little wrapping off this because you know those guys wrap everything. And this is a very hard leather right here also on the zipper tabs. So very excited. I can tell by the quality of this. I mean, it's Michael Kors, so of course it's quality. So you're not going to have to worry about this pulling out if you put a lot of weight in here, like your laptop. You know, a lot of backpacks, they're not reinforced right here. This strap just sews right into here, and they eventually, if you put a lot of weight in there, eventually they're just going to pull and rip. This is reinforced. It's very hard, very thick. It is not going to pull out.